Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm gonna teach you how to do election fraud right here in Roblox Studio. Go to server script storage, into array script, and then do local HTTPS equals game get service HTTPS equals do www.election.gov. So we're gonna go into URL dot let's do Green Party votes equals 9. Let's change. No, we gotta make that 0. And after you run the script, you will election fraud, and it'll work. This is how Russia does it. Yeah.